YouTube. Today we're gonna go visit my dog Eddie, JP, and Jason. They're doing a little bit of stuff at JP's shop today, and I thought it'd be cool enough to actually show you guys because I like what's going on. So let's show you guys what they got going on. Before you do that, I really need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I need you guys to really tap in. It costs nothing for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and even share it to somebody else, you know? But anyway, let me cut all this chit chat. You guys, I'm loving this car so much. Godly.
Do the kit. Bro, the kit that I want, if I wanted to, the upgrade comes with the 6266. That's what I would just do.
But isn't that kit like 4 or 5 pounds?
What, the Craftworks one? I mean, so is the turbo kit that I want.
How much is the Craftworks kit?
Craftworks kit, I think 46. So, I mean, turbo kit's
He told me I got money?
Yo,
you're buying it brand new?
Yeah, he's vlogging. You better chill out, bro. Everyone's gonna know I got money.
Money, man. What is this?
From your girl.
What do these jewels go for nowadays? You know what I mean?
Whoa.
Well, that's half.
That's half. Yeah. I'm broke, so I only can afford one.
Shit, I couldn't even afford one.
They're like $2 grand plus.
I know.
Yeah, for both. Yeah.
Bro, I got mine for $75.
Just the jewel was $500.
Yeah.
Those things are expensive.
Now they're like $700 a piece. I think they're always telling me.
Whatever.
Eddie, you didn't know JP be messing up people's cars.
Dude, I know. Have you seen this car? It has zip ties all over it.
If you watch his YouTube videos, you would know him.
Yo,
bro,
we go back to like vlog 12.
Facts. Nah, he wants to blame me for some shit that I didn't.
Oh, what'd you do?
Bro.
Story time. All right.
JP almost blew up my car. You might have destroyed that thing, you guys.
Oh my.
Blue?
I changed his oil can.
Okay.
Because he ran over a rock.
On this? The Civic?
Yeah.
This is all I did. He thought when I changed his oil pump on that car because he blew the oil pump like the rock.
Yeah, I remember. I saw. Yeah, I remember.
So I changed the oil pump and he hits me the next day. Dude, my car's making a weird rattling sound.
Bro, I'm at the gym and this thing's a 2015. It doesn't.
On the highway,
Like a knock? Like a rod knock?
It didn't sound right, bro.
So
I don't want to put words out there, but it didn't sound right.
And another thing was that oil pump didn't come with the gear. So I had to take the gear from his factory pump and put it on the other one. I didn't look up torque specs or anything. I had it with the good old Milwaukee.
That's what I was saying.
So I hit it with the good old Milwaukee and tell me, yo, I hear this rattle. And I'm like, oh my God, this gear's probably backing out. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Good guy, though. He said he would drop it again.
So I'm like, yo, I'll go and I'll take it again. I'll check everything, no charge. All I did was I put the car in the air, and to take the pan out, you gotta take the rear motor mount.
Yeah.
I go take the rear motor mount, the bolt's like a 1/4 inch back down. I'm like, put the impact, boom. I'm like, yo, start the car. Rattle went away. It was a loose motor.
At least it was easy pick.
I know, but it was just like you weren't there when I was at the gym, and then that shit ain't sound. I was like, damn, should I even drive it home?
Yo, you're sitting there in the parking lot looking at.
She's like, yo, send me a better video. I'm like, bro, I'm stressed. I can't.
Who's that thing I am?
The fuck? This is a garage build, dude. You better blow that shit off when we leave.
Yeah, I had a compressor. I'll blow some air into it.
Oh, see? He's talking about me being there. She has a compressor, a welder.
Yo, what is this fancy tool you're using?
This is a punch, but it's an automatic one. I don't have to hammer it. So it leaves a dent in the hood, and I line up the drill so the drill bit doesn't move. But like,
so you're fucking my shit up right now.
I like that. Nah, you just put like 8 dents in your shit, bro. You're fucked.
Damn, OEM, dude.
Not OEM anymore.
Not OEM.
Going based off the template. If it's wrong in real life, email them, dude.
Damn, he said it's not my problem. That's what he said to you when he fucked with your phone.
Wait, JP, did you let him sign that new waiver?
He's right.
Say something, bro.
Yo, I'll just hate for my boy JP to get some backlash.
Verbal waiver right now. Come on, let's hear it.
Verbal waiver. I owe Eddie.
What? Me?
Yeah.
I ain't signing shit. Hey, I saw what you did to his car. His shit almost blew up. Yeah, your neighbors are probably like, God, I hate these dudes.
Oh no, they're worse. God. It looks good?
I don't care.
Looks fine to me. That looks good. Oh man. Let me do one final measurement.
Bro, I don't trust this man. Yeah, you put the exhaust.
I've been recording.
Day one.
Day one.
Or this is first.
JP's at it again, breaking people's car.
One of one? One of one. First video on YouTube of fucking an OEM hood up.
Not the OEM.
Fucking the OEM hood up. Yo,
hold
on, real quick. This won't be the first Honda he's fucking up. This will be the second.
Oof. We should count his too, so third.
Oh shit.
First cut.
You already scratched the paint, we gotta go through it.
Work through.
I'm a track boy.
Bitch ain't doing no work.
Damn, you fucking calling out my shit. That's crazy.
Yeah, bro. Cause you're not really timing and attacking.
That's crazy. Alright, now we're protecting you. That glues the skins together, or the paper.
the whole car.
You made him nervous, dude. Stop. Shit's still smoking.
He doesn't even want to look at it.
Oh damn, let me drill the holes first before this template's gone. Oh wait, never mind. You already took it off.
Good job, J-boy.
I didn't take anything off.
Why are you so far away? Are you scared?
I just don't want to look at it.
Chop everything out? I'll chop everything out.
No, do it. Let's do it.
Damn, my bad. I scratched it.
Sheesh. So you gotta put little screws in this thingy?
It has
Rivets.
rivets.
So we're gonna drill
Do
forward.
they open and close? No.
They say open.
No, what the fuck you think? You got AC shutters?
I don't know. I thought we had options.
Low-key-
What if I wanted to close it one
When
day?
I first got there, I was like, dude, these fucking things
You
close.
know how fire that'd be? I'm going in my crib and let me
want-
let me
No,
shut them real quick.
I don't want to be responsible because I don't want to get overspray. But it'd probably be nice to spray that black because you're gonna see that through the vents.
Okay. Like now?
Yeah, because
You have black paint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then
Eddie's like, yeah, I could do that later.
spray painting the ghetto-ness? Oh, shit. Yo, while you're there, can you just grab this too? Like right here?
This is for rust safety, you guys. I
That's
promise.
fine.
this is
Promise.
flat black. You don't want to do that.
Oh, okay. My bad. I actually do need to touch this up again.
I'd charge you. I would have told you already. Hey, I'm gonna charge you more.
That's a good guy right here. See, this is why you come to his shop.
Perfect.
Yeah, hey, if a shop is gonna charge you over, I hate when they say it in the end. Tell me now.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna be like finishes, be like, yeah, it's gonna be $250. It was more work than I anticipated.
I know this man was trying to charge me $150.
Thought it was a carbon.
You know what he
hood.
said? He goes, "You got a carbon hood." I said, "Who?" I don't. Maybe J-Boy, not me.
It makes sense though. The carbon hood would have been more sketchy.
Nah,
More liability.
Yeah, because that shit would have cracked.
Yeah.
So should I do vents on the fenders too?
No. Stop it.
Too much vents?
They have vents.
I know. But someone was saying that I should do vents on the fenders. Like right here.
No, it's too many vents. There's too many vents
You're
now.
like a takeover Civic. You on my head? Oh, I felt it. Such a tight fit. Stop being inappropriate, brother. Gotta do a little bit of. This is the part where.
And if you guys ever need any special work, JP is the man. Sideworks are booming over here at the shop.
It's very ironic hearing you say that after you were like, "Oh yeah, JP fucked up my car."
Yeah, but I say that for fun. Well, I'm still gonna call you.
I know.
Like, who'd I call in Daytona?
Who was the only one that?
Yeah, you're the guy. You still made me do it, but you gave me insight.
Did I give you what?
You still made me do it, but you gave me insight. Thought I broke my pan or something.
I didn't make you do it. I was helping you. I did it.
Yeah, you did the driving.
No, motherfucker. I changed the fucking filter.
No, bitch, you told me to get up under there and do it.
And then you couldn't get it, so I had to.
So yeah, kind of. I did it. Oh yeah.
It's the only thing that sucks. When you rivet it, the shit jumps and it scares me because it's like, scratch the car out.
You guys might need this mod on your 9th gen. Shout out to Eddie for showing us.
Whoa, why are you taking...
I kind of like it with the
telling
holes.
everyone my
No
secret.
vents. Look at it from back here.
Oh, without the vents?
Yeah, just the holes.
It looks kind of cool because you can see the like the head and stuff.
Oh, yeah. It kind of looks like Cap Store.
Whole different level. I think
hold it down?
that thing's pretty laid.
Yeah, hold it down and see.
Remember, it was bent, so that's why I got it for so cheap.
It's okay, you can let it go.
I can let it go.
I'm just gonna have to make the hole a little bigger.
Oh, okay. Wait, I'm not white. That's crazy because you're just a little bit darker than me.
A little bit?
Flip the hand.
Oh, we won't do that. We won't do that.
You know, you don't want to flip the hand.
We
You got
won't do
pale.
that. Look,
Eddie
look,
got
look.
real pale real quick. Oof. No, JP got like 2 shades on you.
Yeah, that's crazy because
Then I'm like 4 shades down.
Motherfucker's white. He's almost red. Look at his cheeks.
Yeah, but his name's not white, so he's not white.
Eddie.
But his last name.
Fuck the last name. You could be a
That
doctor.
could be fake.
I mean,
You
his
judge
first
me?
name could be fake too.
Hold on, you judging me by my last name, bro?
Yeah, bro.
What's your last
Because like you definitely don't look like a Tyrell. You'd be the scariest Tyrell I met. I'm like, bro, I don't believe you.
What's your last name?
Benitez.
Oh my god. Wait. Why?
I don't know why.
What do you mean?
Now, 5 horsepower.
It's gonna cool the car down.
app? Did you look at your intake temperatures before we did this? Like average? No. You should have done it.
Remember, it's colder because I have the duck.
Yeah, but now you're gonna be even more hot here, leave. You got it.
Sheesh.
Fucking your car for some off.
Wow, the camera's dying too.
The raised lug nuts.
Hey, you!